Murder was in 2008. It made headlines for years, and 7 teenagers were convicted in the stabbing death of Marcelo Lucero. His brother got justice in the criminal courts, but today's hearing was about trying to hold government officials responsible for allegedly creating a climate in which Latino immigrants are attacked.
He was my older brother. He was my hero.
Josuelo Lucero still tears up, speaking about his older brother Marcelo. In November of 2008, at the age of 37, Marcelo was beaten and stabbed to death while walking home from work in Suffolk County. A group of 7 teenagers who became known as the Patchogue 7 were convicted in the hate crime. Prosecutors said they had attacked several other immigrants before that, and nothing was done.
It's being very excruciating for me.
I spoke with Lucero after he testified in front of the Inter-American Commission of Human Rights in Washington, D.C. about his brother's case. A petition was filed 18 years ago.
I don't think so anything changed, honestly. Unfortunately, it seems like we're going backwards.
Members of Latino Justice and the Kennedy Human Rights Center say the U.S. government should be held responsible for human rights violations surrounding the Lucero case.
Was by no means an isolated incident. It was inspired by anti-immigrant and anti-Latino propaganda espoused again and again and again by local elected leaders.
But a legal advisor for the U.S. Department of State said public officials cannot be held responsible for the actions of private citizens. And he said institutional reforms have been made.
The U.S. Department of Justice entered into an agreement to improve bias-free policing and increase outreach to Latino communities.
After the hearing, Lucero and his supporters held a brief memorial. I asked Lucero what he hopes now to achieve.
I'm looking for a clear and loud message globally when it comes to human rights violation.
And the teen who was convicted of being the stabber, Jeffrey Conroy, is now 35 years old and won't be eligible for parole until 2030. The other 6 teens have already been released from their sentences. Now, the commission adjourned without making a decision.